Hi, at ReasonLabs, we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to use the Cookies and Trackers review functionality on your online security extension for Chrome and Edge browsers. As you can see, the online security extension is installed on your browser, ensuring that your web browsing experience stays secure by actively detecting threats and monitoring your information for data leaks. Clicking on the extension icon will open the main screen of the online security extension. By the way, we recommend you to pin it so you can see your status at any time. To do it, just click on the pin icon. To review cookies and trackers on your online security extension, select Cookies and Trackers on the menu bar on the left side of the page. Online security identifies between legitimate cookies and known suspicious cookies and trackers that might harm your browsing security and are known as a threat to your privacy. On this page, you will see the automatically blocked and deleted cookies and trackers. You will also see the list of allowed cookies and trackers, allowing you to easily delete them if you wish to do so. If you have any issues during this process, please contact our support agents by clicking on the support widget, and they will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and stay cyber safe.